All right, my Facebook friends, this is a project that I started on, maybe a little over a week ago, and I'm calling it officially done. My service is complete on this truck. Just got to pull it out and winterize it, and wait for the customer to come by and snag it. I put my heart and soul in all the trucks that I work on for you guys, and I'm proud of it. Look at this thing. Look at that thing. This is a 2015, and I wouldn't believe what I went through. Get it all cleaned up. It's ready, and this thing runs beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And so just a couple of things. The unloader got replaced. Chemical injection system got fixed. That's a rebuilt chem pump. The main cat pump didn't get touched in terms of any rebuilds there, any parts or anything like that. Replaced the blower belts, did a full service. Cleaned that filter out, replaced that lid gasket up there. He had replaced the float switch, but it wasn't wired, so I finished up that. I replaced the two sight glasses. Did a thorough cleanup on everything. Just this morning I put a brand new fresh valve there, 3/8 valve. I pressure washed all his vacuum line, pulled it all off, pressure washed it all. I cleaned everything, everything. I put a Butler label on here. This was a mess. This was a total mess. I pulled this out. I pulled that rail out and painted that entire rail. Painted this little ledge here. I'm not a body man, but it looks a lot better than it did before I started. I repainted this. I pulled this tray out because it had that ugly, nasty powder coating that had been peeling off. So I pulled this out, painted this thoroughly, and I did something special that I'm going to start doing. There's 5 little screws that hold this to the back to the panel, and I did something special there, so this tray can easily be removed and cleaned and repainted if you wanted to. So the switches were all good. This is his chemical flow meter. I just cleaned that out. Put a new flow control valve on it. His temperature works good. The sending unit down in there is working fine. And this thing just runs like a top. Number 4 blower, a 45 blower, sorry. But this thing just works beautiful. I did a full blower wash and lube. Let's see. Oh, I put this chemical line in here with a fresh filter. Cleaned up this tray and everything. So this truck is officially done and ready to go. Man, am I proud of that. My wife says, "When are you going to be done with that?" I said, "I'll be done when I'm done." And now I'm done. Thanks for watching.